Welcome to our tutorial on how to unpin a group you've joined on Facebook. If you want to declutter your Facebook app and remove a pinned group, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. In the menu that appears, tap on Groups. Step 4. Find and tap on the group that you want to unpin from the top of your groups list. Step 5. Once you're in the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. Step 6. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 dots icon. Step 7. From the options that appear, tap on Pin Group to unpin the group from the top of your groups list. And that's it. You have now successfully unpinned the group from your groups list on Facebook. Keep your app organized by managing your pinned groups efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.